Welcome back to the channel, Ageless Beauty Nation, and in today's video we're doing a 1-minute vegan pancake in a cup. So let's talk about our ingredients that we're going to use. We have our plant-based butter, we have our pure cane sugar, we also have our gluten-free all-purpose vegan flour, we have almond milk, we have of course some maple syrup, we have our cup that we're going to use to mix the ingredients in, and we have our measuring instruments to measure everything. So look like this is going to be some fun, so stick around so we can see what happens. So now we're going to melt down the actual butter, which is 1 tablespoon of our plant-based butter, and we have officially melted it down. I put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds to melt that down. So we're going to add our first tablespoon of the almond milk, our second tablespoon of the almond milk. Then we're going to also add our 3/4 tablespoon of our pure cane sugar. And then we're going to take a spoon and then we're going to gently blend and mix those ingredients all together. Mix them where it's completely blended so you can have that consistency. And now we're going to add our 3 tablespoons of our vegan flour. That's our first one. Here's our second one that we've just added. And then, of course, here's our 3rd tablespoon of that vegan flour. Okay. And then we're going to add, of course, our 1/4 of a teaspoon of some baking powder. And that's what our dry ingredients look like. So of course you want to make sure that you blend it all together. Make sure that you don't over blend, but make sure you scrape the sides. I know I have a bigger type of teacup. I think I should have used a smaller teacup, but hey, we'll get it done, right? So that's what the consistency should look like. It should look like an actual pancake mix blended in a cup. And of course you want to make sure you scrape down the sides and get all the ingredients blended together where they're nice, smooth with that consistency. So now we're going to move over to the microwave. We're going to put our pancake mix that's in the cup in the microwave, and you're going to want to put it on 1 minute to 1 minute and 15 seconds. It depends on your particular microwave, but we'll be back.
Few moments later.
So now our time is up, and this is actually what it looks like. You don't want to overcook your pancake. In this situation, is a microwave type in a cup. You're going to want to add a little piece of your plant-based butter, and then make sure you pour in your maple syrup. And then we're going to take a fork, and we're going to actually see what it looked like. And it actually was very, very good. So if you like this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.